Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today is the third session of recording videos or recorded sessions entitled The Safety of Society and the Unity of its Members. So, our focus today would be on the safety and security of society. So, let's start with the definition of the word or the term security. The term safety is broadly used to refer to the protection of individuals, organizations, and assets against external threats and the criminal activities that can be directed to such entities, hence rendering them inactive. So here, the word or the term security means or refers to the protection of individuals, organizations, and everything around. Why is safety? Or what is safety? The term safety is used to refer to the condition of being protected from the aspects that are likely to cause harm. In addition, the term safety can be used to refer to the state at which one has to control of the risk-causing aspects, hence protecting himself or herself against risk that is fully unintended. So this is like a little bit difference between safety and security. So the definition here, aspect, one of the primary, we have to know that one of the primary differences between the two terms safety and security is their definition. Security refers to the protection of the individuals, organizations, and properties against external threats that are likely to cause harm. It's clear that security is generally focused on ensuring that external factors do not cause trouble or unwelcome situation to the organization, individuals, and the properties within the premises. On the other hand, safety is the feeling of being protected from the factors that causes harm. It is also important to highlight that an individual who controls the risk-causing factors has the feeling of being safe. This is like the difference between safety and security according to their definitions. Emotional aspect. The second difference is that the feeling of being safe is an emotional aspect while security has to do with physical aspect. An individual feels safe when he or she is embarrassed by the loved ones within means that his or she or his or he emotional safety has been taken care of. Similarly, young children have the sense of being safe when they are close to their mother or father because he or she provides for both emotional and physical aspect. On the other hand, the aspect of security comes within physical aspects like tall walls that are protecting an individual from external threats. This is this is security. In addition, an individual has the sense of security if he or she has a physical weapon like a gun that can be used to deal with an external threats. This is the difference according to the emotional aspect. What about external versus internal? It's important to highlight that security is mostly an external affair, while safety is an internal aspect. People looking for security ensure that they are highly protected against external factors that are likely to harm them. On the other hand, an individual within the organization might cause the sense of lacking safety, or a party might make himself or herself not to feel safe. For example, security analysts analyzed and the forces mandated with ensuring security secure the like like the organization itself and even an individual, hence shielding against an external threats. However, They are not concerned with the internal aspects. A person might have large security force but may be feeling the absence of safety, especially if he or she does not have peace with personal being. So that's why today I just focused on the difference between like safety and security according to the definition and the emotional and the external and the internal meaning as well. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.